Hello guys and welcome to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So let me show you today a method which I use to grow my Facebook group. So this is a method you can also use and implement it, and you will be able to grow your Facebook groups in 2020 or even afterwards. So there are some requirements to set this up, and let me jump straight into how to do this. So you will need first a page that you have to add to your newly created group. So you have to create your group and also create a page which should have some likes and people who are engaged with this page. You can use ads to make these engagements or simply post content that will get more people to your page and make them like your page. So afterwards, Facebook will allow you to link your page to your group. So as you can see, my page is linked to my group, and after I did this, I get these suggestions here. So if I click see more, I will get many suggestions of people who liked my page or interacted with my page. So if I will be getting these suggestions, I simply have to click invite on each of these people, and they will get a direct invitation to join my group. So you will see also some duplicates. For this, you should click invite only once, because Facebook, let me show you what happens if you click it twice. So this is click twice and you are trying to invite has already invited to be the group. So yeah, this gives this error. So skip people who are listed twice and click invite for all other. So like this, you will grow your Facebook group really fast, because you will get this kind of suggestions for people who you can invite daily, and you will have to click this list and invite everyone from here daily, and you will get around 20, 30 or even 40 new members weekly, which is really great, and you will be able to grow your Facebook group really fast using this method. And if you have already a page that has many followers and likes, it will be a free method, because all you have to do is link your page to the group that you created, and Facebook will suggest these people who you can invite to the group daily. So check back daily and you will find this list daily there. And also I use the classic user interface of Facebook for this, because in the new user interface it is a bit more limited, and Facebook allows inviting of fewer people in the newer interface. So if you can switch back to the old interface, there are also some extensions, some browser extensions that allow this, and use the old user interface to invite people, because as you see here, it is very efficient and it goes really fast. So yeah, this is how you can grow a Facebook group in 2020. I will link this group in this video's description if you are interested in auto blogging plugins or in CodeRevolution in general. You can join in the party. Thank you for watching until the end. Have a nice day, stay safe. Also, please subscribe to this video, it is really appreciated. Bye bye.